Hey mga kameranda! In this particular video, samahan nyo ako as I discuss sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga gamit sa harapan ng aking station, sa aking trading zone habang nagla-live si Coach Miranda. So tara, samahan nyo ako so I can discuss to you what I do and what's actually in my trading zone. So unang-una Kamiranda, of course, ang trading kasi is hindi naman yan hit or miss or talagang parang go with the flow ka lang, no? Talagang you need to be able to I would say invest on the resources and the tools na ginagamit mo para talagang pag-upo mo pa lang sa upuan mo, talagang naka-trading zone mindset, trading mindset ka na. So of course, ito naman, ilaw na to, disregard nyo yan, kailangan ko lang talaga yan para mas pogi si Coach Miranda sa mga live natin. So unang-una, ang pinakamahalaga because ay gumagamit ako ng mga malalaking mga applications that can lag my system. So kailangan ko talaga ng medyo pangmalakasang MacBook Pro 16-inch. Sa market, mga nasa 150,000 ito ngayon. Hindi naman siya requirement, pero kung talaga kasing gamer ka or trader ka and you are into high-tech or mga fast applications, syempre hindi mo kailangan mahuli sa mga trades, baka mag-lag yung screen mo. So therefore, kailangan mo talaga ng mga M1 chip level. This is a 16-inch screen, maganda rin yung kanyang speaker built-in so I can listen to music if I want to. Ngayon, this is an LG expandable or expanded screen. It's a 35-inch screen. Nagiging mirror ko siya or technically an expanded screen ko from my Mac. So this is where I do my orders, this is where I do my charting para talagang kahit kaluluwa ng chart, kitang-kita mo. Diba? Kasi malaki siya. Ngayon, I have a new tool. This is actually a Bing X laptop na binigay sa atin ng Bing X. And it's very portable, no? Pwede mo siyang dalhin, pwede mo siyang kunin lang, and you can bring it, pwede mo siyang i-close, and it becomes like really a laptop ka, Miranda. So really, thank you again for giving this to me, Bing X. So kung gusto mo siyang gamitin, you can actually just try to open. Open mo lang siya. And then, you can actually just try to expand the screen and you can actually trade anywhere. You can actually trade anywhere na gusto mo. Turn on natin, ayan. So, naka-fingerprint si Coach, ayan. So, turn on mo lang siya. Then, you can actually trade anywhere with an expanded screen. So, this is my new addition, no? To my trading infrastructure here in my trading zone. Of course, kailangan mo ng upuan. Medyo ROI na ako dito. Matagal na itong upuan natin. No? Ayaw ko talaga siyang bitaw kasi swerte ako sa upuan na to. Di ba? And I have my keyboard, wireless, and of course my mouse. Medyo may konting pampakalma sa akin sa may tabi ko dito. And of course my phone. So, this one is around 25,000. May mabibili ka na ito mga 15,000 sa second-hand market. This one is a gift. Of course, these are my different AirPods of a generation. Siguro, I would say talagang meron, of course, this desk, huwag niyong kalimutan, medyo gusto ko tong desk na to because it's very sturdy, very talagang matibay, talagang malaki, and I really wanted to have a big desk for my business. So, of course, I have my phone holder. Pag kailangan ko, I can just put my phone there. Ayan. Right? Di ba? And yan, so technically, mas madali ko makikita yung takbo ng market with this particular multiple monitors. Medyo konting ingat lang, magbabad sobrang daming ilaw because it can strain your eye, Kamiranda. So yun, that is my trading zone and this helps me to really reflect and be on my trading mindset whenever I sit down here. So sana nakatulong sa inyo yan at magkaroon ng konting inspiration when you wanted to become a full-time trader, mga Kamiranda. Alright, so yun lang. So again, just be mindful, no, yung mga saksakan ninyo. Marami na kasi ngayon, no, is very marami na siya mga USB-C lang, no, hindi siya nag-work always on regular USB charger, so just be mindful of that. So yun, so tinago, what you don't see here are the wires, so medyo it's obviously hidden and just plain brown table. Yan. Alright, so yan muna, Kamiranda. Maraming salamat and I love you. Thank you.